Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to find the profitable keyword with high search volume and low competition. So to find the very profitable keyword for your website or for your online business, we will use two methods. The one is manual method and the second is automatic method. So in this video we are going to collect the keyword that have a search volume with an average of 1000 search per month. So we will use the Google AdWords keyword planner to find the search volume of our keyword. Okay, so go to Google and find Google AdWords. Google AdWords is a free service by Google. You can register an account here if you don't have, and if you have a Gmail account you can log in with your Gmail account. It's free to sign up. So I'm going to just log in. Okay, now after login to AdWords account, go to Tools and under Tools click this Keyword Planner. Click on it and you will come up with 4 options. These are the 4 options. Make sure you go to the first one, search for new keyword and add group ideas. Click on it and here you can put your search term and Google will analyze what is the monthly volume search for the particular keyword. If you have a landing page, you can put your page here and select the category. But we are not going to use a landing page and product category. If you want to target a specific country or a city, you can click location and enter a city or country name like United States, or if you want to choose another one you can put country. Okay, but I don't want to use any country, so I'm going to remove all. And same with the language, the search engine, Google. And if you want to remove some keyword, like if I put a keyword here, best laptop under 500. So this is our keyword, and if I don't want any keyword to be shown with the search, like anything like inches, so Google will filter out all the keyword that include the inches in it. Okay, remove this thing. And some other options like keyword filter, if you want some result to be filtered like 300 plus search or 300 or equal to search, you can put your volume here. And this is something for the advertisers, so we are not going to use this thing. And just click get idea. Okay, after putting your search term, click get ideas. Now there are 2 tabs, add group idea and keyword idea. The add group idea is for the advertiser and PPC bidders, so we are not going to use this one. Just make sure you go to keyword ideas. And here is our keyword and some other relevant keyword to our search term. So for our keyword there are 6 things here. The first thing is a graph which shows you that the trending of this keyword in Google term. Okay, so you can see that in the April 2014 there are 8,000 plus search, and in December 2013 there are 12,000 search. So you can find the trend of this keyword in Google search engine. The next thing is the search volume. So there are 8,000 plus search monthly for this particular keyword, and this competition doesn't shows you the Google title or Google meta description competition. It's competition related to the PPC, pay-per-click advertisers. So you cannot find the competitiveness of this keyword through this high, low or medium. Okay, now in this video we are going to collect the keyword that have a good search volume. Okay, and after that we will analyze the competition. So this is a good keyword, so create a new Excel file, name it something like keyword. Okay, and keywords search. Okay, now this keyword here have 8100 search, so I'm going to just paste this keyword and the monthly search. The next keyword, you can also find the relevant keyword here, like best laptop under 600 and 400 have 1000 and about 2000. So I'm going to just copy and paste. For the 600 there are 100 search, there are 1000 search, and for 400 there are 1900 search. So for now I'm just leaving with 3 keywords. Let me take one more keyword, which is best Windows 8 laptop, and get the idea. Okay, so for this keyword, if you go to graph, you can see that the graph is down, 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 and in January 2014 there are only 2400 searches. So it is good to take the keyword which have 500 plus search. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this keyword, and there are 4400 search. Okay, save it, and you can find or categorize, like the sheet can be categorized as laptops, and as our niche is review, so we will do reviews on every digital gadgets like laptop, camera, processors, and so on. So we can find the keyword here and manage them in an Excel sheet through this way. You can also create a new page and name it something like tablets. Okay, in the next video we will analyze the competition for this keyword through Google add-on, through Firefox add-on, and with a Windows application. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it. And in the meanwhile, I will also find some more keyword with the search volume, and thanks for watching it.